If you guys want to see the tutorial on how to create this beautiful sublimation pillow, stay tuned. So this is the website I used to create the free QR code. And I will walk you through the steps on how to create a new one after you've already created a free account. You would just click on create a QR code. These are all the options they give you, which is a lot. I want to add a song or MP3. So if you want to add like a voicemail of your loved one, a video that is not linked to YouTube, you would click on MP3, and what you would do is you would upload any of them that you have on your computer. Just check the box. And you can change the name. And in this section, you're able to add an image. I've already have one uploaded, but the same steps would apply. You would just click on add an image and find one right here. Say you want to use this one. Simple as that. So you would check the box and click on the image. Same thing, change the name. You're able to change pretty much everything on this list. The color button. You can even add your website. And once you're happy with everything, just click on create code. In this area right here, this is what it will look like when someone scans the actual QR code. So what you do is copy the link on your SoundCloud, go back to the QR code, and paste it in this section. And you're going to click on save. First thing I'm going to do is open Affinity. We're going to create a new page. And the paper size that I'm using today is a 13 by 19, which is not on the list. So let me show you how to create a new preset. You go right here to the right hand side and change the document units to inches. Type in 13 by 19 and click on custom. So these are all the presets that I use for my papers. So you're going to click on that and go to create right here at the bottom right. And this is how you would change the page orientation after you've already created the page. You can just go right here to document setup and toggle off the portrait mode. So to add our design, we're going to use the place tool option, or you can also go to file and place. Same thing. We are going to use one of the designs that we've already created. And you can just drag it in. I'm going to rotate it. And there you go. So the pillowcase that I'm using is a 15 by 15, so we're going to get our design as close to that size as possible. And you can change that right here at the bottom right with the width and the height. So I'm going to change the width to 13 and the height to 13. See how that looks. I'm actually going to crop down the image. That looks good for me. Now I'm going to place the QR code inside. And this is completely optional. This is going to go on the back of the pillowcase. And it honestly can be any size you want, as long as it's large enough to scan. I'm going to do a 4x4. Once you're happy with the image size, you can just print this out. You can go to Command P and press print, or you can just go to File and print. The paper size that I'm using is 13 by 19, which is considered a Super B. You will go to Print Settings. I print from the rear slot because I print on my Epson 7720. I keep mine on plain white paper. And I make sure it's on the highest quality. And always make sure that this is on. And here is the final result from the pillowcase. As you can see, it came out beautifully. And you can go back and forth like this without messing up the design. So now you're going to take your polyfill and fill your pillowcase up until you reach your desired fullness. So all I did was take more polyfill and add it in on the sides. At this point, you can either add more or take some away, whatever your desired fullness is. And once you're done, all you do is shape and even out all the sides of the pillow to make it fluffy. So to get the QR code to work, all you do is scan it on the QR app. And what I would do is open it in Safari or Chrome, depending on if you have an iPhone or not, so you can play the actual music. That is the full tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.